1 sheet, 2 sheet, 3 sheet, 4 sheet, 43 sheet. Now how many already? 1 sheet, 2 sheet, 3 sheet, 4 sheet, 100 sheet. Hundred and one sheep.
What happened? Wake up.
Oh no! I dreamed that my house on fire.
Your house, our house on fire?
Oh yeah.
Our house is normally, but it's fine, but it's perfect.
Fire?
Yeah. Fire? There's no fire.
But must careful very easy to catch fire nowadays.
Okay, I think you go and sleep. Go and sleep. Go and sleep.
Okay. Just want to count you how many. Someone come and rob our house, right?
Who?
I don't know. I hear a sound. Somebody come and rob our house, right? Rob our house, right?
No. I think it's just a dream. Where? There's nobody. Just us, me and you. You and me. That's all.
Confirm?
Yes.
Confirm, huh?
Yes. Oh, yes. You confirm only just us. I think it's a bad dream.
Okay, I go and sleep, huh?
Yeah, go and sleep.
Ah!
Oh, you scared me. What's wrong?
No. I thought somebody come and assault me.
Just
What
wanted
you
to let
want?
you know our house like a bit old. Then our toilet leaking.
Leaking?
Then our kitchen a bit like old. Then our bedroom time to make a makeover lah.
Can do one
It's not a choice. You must try to listen to me.
Renovation very noisy one
Can you
Don't
listen to what I want to say?
Okay.
I went to Renopedia, so I find a lot of Indian designers. Then I select 3 that I like the most.
You like you go yourself
It's for our house Then we will renovate, and then we have a nice house
Can you go or not?
No, I already fixed an appointment later, and actually it's just about 30 minutes more. We are going to the venue. Let's go. Let's go meet our interior designers now. Come on. Aiyo, don't know you paranoid or what, sia. Paranoid this, paranoid that. Marry you so long and you still so paranoid. Don't know what you're paranoid about, seriously. Can you hurry up? Hello?
Okay dear, I'm ready.
Are you serious? You're going like this?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. We're running late already.
Can. I stand by your side.
Yeah.
Let's go. Quick, let's go. Dear, let's go!
The door cannot open! Don't so paranoid. Why are you so paranoid?
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.